When it comes to running your small business, it's always about doing more with less. But when you're making IT decisions, having to make do just isn't good enough. You want the most effective, efficient IT setup possible in order to give your business the competitive advantage it needs, rather than limiting your growth potential because you lack the resources or expertise to create IT solutions that will easily scale with your business. You're looking for a solution that delivers an effortless network. The experts at NETGEAR have created a custom solution with your business in mind. It's called Business Central. Business Central is a secure, cloud-based IT service platform that provides small to mid-sized organizations an effortless, affordable way to establish, provision, and manage key IT networking services. And now, with Business Central Wireless Manager, you can manage your entire Wi-Fi network across multiple locations, buildings, and floors securely through the cloud, anytime, anywhere. Using a single portal dashboard, bring multiple sites, access points, and users under one management umbrella within minutes. Manage wireless SSIDs, control guest access on your network, and run bandwidth usage reports with a few clicks. Achieve full visibility of your network with real-time alerts that keep you in total control from day one. Wireless Manager eliminates the need for on-site troubleshooting with seamless remote visibility of the network. The pay-as-you-go licensing model enables customers and managed service providers to reduce capital and operating costs, achieve faster deployments, and benefit from easy access to a range of configuration, management, and reporting tools. And whenever it's needed, add extra capacity to suit, all while maintaining a fully balanced and capable network access. Get started with your free trial of Business Central Wireless Manager right now. Simply sign up and activate your cloud-enabled access point at wireless.netgear.com to access the complete service.